Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of chicken al-Faham, which is famous Arabic grilled chicken. This is so delicious and do give it a try at least once. Without further delay, let's get started. First, I'm going to marinate the chicken. I have taken one whole chicken and cut it into 4 pieces. It weighs around 1.5 kilograms. Draw gashes on all over the chicken pieces so that it gets cooked evenly. For the first marinade, add in salt as needed. Squeeze in the juice of 1 whole lime. In goes 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And finally add in 3 tablespoons of thick curd. Mix everything nicely and marinate it for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare the second marinade. I'm going to grind all the ingredients. In a bowl, take 1 diced onion, 1 tomato, 1 green chilli, a fistful of coriander leaf, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed, half a teaspoon of jeera seed, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, salt as needed, and 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Grind everything into thick paste by adding little water. Once the masala is grinded, add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The masala is so aromatic and this should be the texture of it. So make sure the masala is thick like this. Now let's get back to the marinated chicken. Apply the second marinade onto the chicken pieces like this. The chicken pieces are coated well with the second marinade. Cover it and marinate it for 3 to 4 hours in refrigerator. To accompany chicken al-Faham, I prepared pita bread or kubus. I have already shared this recipe in our channel and I'll leave the link in the description below. Well, I just want to keep this video short and hence sharing pita bread recipe in a separate video. The beauty of pita bread is that it puffs up while cooking. I'll highly recommend to prepare pita bread while making chicken al-Faham. This is beetroot salad wherein we have grated some beetroot, cucumber and onion. To that we have added lemon juice, salt and some green chilli. Next I am preparing thum, which is famous Lebanese garlic sauce. I have shared this recipe already in our channel and I'll leave the link in the description below. This is best dip for chicken al-Faham. Here I have taken some boiled chickpeas to make hummus. All these recipes are already shared on our channel. I'll leave the recipe link in the description below. So prepare all these items to make chicken al-Faham a complete meal. Chicken is marinated perfectly for 4 hours in refrigerator. Take a pan and add in 50 ml of sunflower oil. To that add in 1 tablespoon of butter. Once oil is hot, add in the chicken pieces. Fry it in medium flame. I have already shared baked chicken al-Faham in our channel. I'll leave the recipe link in the description below. So you can fry it in pan or bake it in oven. Flip the chicken and cook it on all the sides. Cover with the lid so that the chicken pieces gets cooked by the steam. It will take 30 to 40 minutes for the chicken pieces to get cooked. Make sure to use thick bottom pan while frying this chicken al-Faham. I have used a cast iron pan. Now I'm adding in the third piece of chicken since I've got some space in it. Chicken al-Faham tastes best when served with thum, pita bread and hummus. So prepare all this ahead of time before frying the chicken al-Faham. Once the chicken pieces are cooked well, add in 1 tablespoon of butter. The chicken pieces are fried perfectly. Now I'm going to give the charcoal flavor to the chicken al-Faham. Burn a piece of charcoal nicely like this. Place a hot charcoal in a bowl and add in 1 teaspoon of butter. Cover it with the lid and leave it for a couple of minutes. Delicious flavorful chicken al-Faham is ready to be served now. This is a complete meal and our lunch for today. Do try this chicken al-Faham, pita bread, hummus, thum and share me the feedback. If you have tried this recipe, share me the picture in my Instagram or Facebook account. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes like this. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.